January 24th. 24th na ba? 23rd lang.
It's 23.
23rd.
23rd.
January 23rd. I'm with Angela. Yeah, and this is my good friend. Danane. Danane. Pisan. Dito ka, Pisan. It's my cousin from another side. See you guys in the flip side. Five days na lang, uwi na tayo sa Pilipinas. Hindi alam ng parents natin, surprise to. Bumili ako ng chocolate. Meron siyang pang Pasko kasi to. Diba? Original price na to is $15. Tapos, nag-clearance to. $1 na lang. So, inubaran ko siya. Kinukuha ko lang chocolate. Gano'n na karami yung nakuha ko. May Hershey's din. So, yung Hershey's, 24 pieces. May tagi-isang ganito. Tapos, ito yung laman ng isang box. Tapos, itong pang Pasko talaga. Ito yung laman niya. Pakita ko sa inyo pag binuksan ko. Nanonood ako ng Coach Carter. Ilang beses ko na ito napanood kasi maganda to. Pag gusto mo ma-inspired, panoorin mo to. Okay, buksan natin. Post ko lang. At ganyan na itsura niya. Bukas mo. Ganda, no? Kasi mabigat siya sa bagahe kaya di natin siya dadalhin ng ganyan. Dami pala natin chocolate na nabili. Bukod sa chocolate na taga $1, isang box. Ito yung mga iuwi natin. Ferrero. Oops. Iba dito, galing kanila Angela at kay Adam. Thank you guys. Tapos yun dun banda, galing kay Pisan at kay Erwin. Galing. Ay, meron pa pala dito. Ito, galing kay Angela ito lahat. Some watches for my baby boy. Pot of gold. Tara, pakain na tayo. Kita sa airport para mabilis na. 5 days pa talaga pero papabilisin ko para sa inyo. So yun na nga, January 25 na. Ang bilis, di ba? I told you guys. So we're on our way to the ferry with our good friends, Fia and Angela.
Hi.
They're dropping me to Nanaimo to jump into a ferry, and from there we go to Vancouver. Our flight is at nighttime, so I'll update you guys, okay? Going home to the Philippines. Smell you later, Canada. Dito na tayo sa ferry. Maandar na tayo. First time ko mag-ferry ng food passenger. Tapos maliwanag ngayon, kitang-kita yung umaandar yan. Nagmagala yung frame. And mag-isa lang ako. So, update ko kayo pag nasa airport na ako. Kasi medyo mahaba yung 1 hour pa from port ng Vancouver papunta ng airport. So, update ko kayo hanggang makauwi tayo ng Pilipinas. Okay? Dito na tayo sa Vancouver Metro. First time natin mag-metro. Ito mo to train. Yeah. Dito na tayo sa tren. $17 ang nagastos natin kaysa mag-Uber tayo or mag-taxi na $100. Thank you, shoutout kay Allen tsaka kay Kuya Andrew. Sila nagturo sa akin kung paano sumakay. Yung trend nila, oh. Parang nasa Dubai lang, di ba? Metro. Meron dito. Ayun na, parating na yung trend. Ayun. Ay. Yung trend, walang harang. Pwede ka magpabangga. Promise. Okay, bye-bye. First time ko mag-metro dito sa Canada. And, okay naman siya. Marami pa rin tao. So, galing tayo sa Vancouver City Center. Tapos, punta tayo sa YVR Airport. So, nandito na tayo. Sa Templeton. Dalawa na lang. Thank you again. Shout out sa mga naghatid sa akin, Angela and Fia. And sa nagturo ng daan, Alan and Kuya Andrew. And si Mimo. Yeah. Tinuruan din ako ni Mimo paano punta dito. Shout out, Lappy Dubs.
The next station is Templeton.
Time check tayo is 4:36 PM. Ang flight natin ay delayed. Nag-text na si Pal. So, ano siya, instead of 10:45 PM, magiging 11:40. So, maganda kasi kaya ako huminto, pwede pa mag-vlog. Dito na tayo sa that looks good. Okay. See you in the Philippines. Alusot na tayo sa immigration. So, pupunta na tayo sa gate natin. Time check. 9:10. So, kita tayo sa aeroplano. Sabi ko see you on plane, pero tour ko muna kayo dito sa Vancouver YVR Airport. Okay. Okay, since magti-Chinese New Year, marami silang design dito. May bridge. May time pa tayo para maglakad sa gate natin. So I'll show you around. Gundo. Wow. Mag-wish tayo. Uy, may coins tayo dito. Teka lang. Post ko muna, ha. Alright. Sana swerte yan, okay? Yeah. There you go. Let's move on. Tara, punta na tayo sa gate. Siyempre, hindi natin sasayangin tong walk-a-later shot. Dito pa rin tayo sa airport. Ganda dito sa airport nila. Ganda ng mga tao. Oh, ito na lang pala ako. Nag-walk-a-later pa. D70 ako eh. Lapit ko lang pala. So, hintayin ko na to. Nakaya naman daman sa mga to. Nagkakatuan. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Buboard na tayo. Dito na tayo sa plane. And guess what? Window seat tayo. Bye, Canada. Smell you later. Smell you later, Canada.
We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment and start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce and cheers.
Andito na si Tito. Tito ni Hana.
Never clear.
Andito pa si Tito.
Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, cause it's not the end of everything. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears. And not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay.
부장이나 짜오! 부장이나!
My friends, with you. Farewell to you, my friends. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be oceans away, but here is where my heart will stay with you.
짜오 부장이나!
With you. With you. We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's
No, ikaw. Hey, mommy. I miss you.